my loves, welcome back to the channel. It's your favorite girl here this series, and if you're joining us for the very first time, you are welcome. So today's video is going to be an illustration, like a practical video, because I'm going to be showing you everything I use on my skin, from my hair down to my toe. If you are interested and ready to know how I make use of, how I layer each and every of these products on my skin,
get your popcorn, stick around with me and keep watching.
I just finished having my bath now and my face is looking all dry because I've not tried applying anything yet. And recall I said that this video is going to be an illustration of how I layer my skincare products. So guys, let's prepare together. Just know that this video is going to be an interesting one, of course. Why not? Now, first thing I use on my skin currently is this rose water. And this is the Whitening Rose water. It moisturizes and rehydrates your skin. The reason why I started making use of this is because I noticed that I'm kind of reacting to, I don't even know the particular product I'm reacting currently on. I started noticing kind of redness of the face around this side. Yeah, I think I'm reacting to something, but I'm yet to figure out what exactly I'm reacting to. So this is the rose water I am using in form of cleanser. So let me show you guys how I apply it. So all I do is, after cleansing my skin, I take an appropriate quantity of this particular rose water and apply on my face before using any other skincare product. So after taking an appropriate quantity on my hands, I use my two hands to massage evenly all over my face. So I damp my face with it very, very well, as you can see. Yeah. Remember, whatever you use on your face, you use it down to your neck too. I don't know, I'm just feeling so excited making this video. Okay. I'm going to wait for like a minute or some seconds just for it to kind of a little bit dry before applying my next. So the next thing, after making use of my rose water, the next thing I go in with my vitamin C serum. So currently I am making use of the Roushun vitamin C serum. As you guys already know that what I use is Roushun vitamin C serum, but for now I've exhausted the one I have and I am yet to restock my skincare product. Hopefully maybe next week or next 2 weeks, if I'm chance, I will restock my skincare product and I'll go back to my doctor Roushun. But currently, this is an alternative for me if I don't have the Dr. Roushun vitamin C serum. So this particular serum, all I do is to take an appropriate quantity, make use of my dropper. This is the dropper. So I apply 1, 5. Now, while applying your vitamin C serum on your face, make sure you avoid the dropper touching your face. Reason being that we are trying to avoid your serum getting contaminated. As we all know, that microorganisms, they are beautiful, so they are found everywhere, even your face, the surface of your skin, like they are just everywhere. So if you're not being careful, if you touch the dropper on your face, it will get contaminated with some germs on your face, regardless of the fact that yes, your face has tip of their finger, but me, I like using my 2 hairs, so because why not? So that everything will penetrate very well. This particular vitamin C serum contains 20% vitamin C and other ingredients like hyaluronic acid. So, and as we all know that hyaluronic acid helps in skin elasticity, and also it also has an anti-aging property. So if you're someone, even the conventional vitamin C also contains hyaluronic acid. So if you're someone that your face is always looking so dry, your face is always looking like your face is always looking so older than your age. Like if you want to age back, if you want to continue looking so young, my dear, go get yourself vitamin C serum. Like get yourself a good vitamin C serum and be using on your face. Guys, that is basically it for my face. So since I'm not gonna be stepping out of the house today, I'm not going to be applying my sunscreen. So the next thing I'm gonna be doing now, add in more moisture on my lips. So this is the balm I make use of. Actually, this is a DIY made at home. Maybe I'm going to be sharing the steps on how to prepare your own pink lips balm. I'm gonna be adding more moisture on my lips. First, the normal lip base. Oh my god, this is I think 200 to 50. Guys, I think I am done with my face for now. So the next thing I go in with is apply my body lotion. So this is the body lotion I'm trying out now. This is the Dove Body Love Deep Care Fearless Nourishing Body Lotion. One thing I like about this body lotion is that it moisturizes skin and it smells so nice. I mean, it smells so nice. It has this welcoming fragrance. So all I do is to take an appropriate quantity, apply on my skin. Make sure you apply your body lotion on your armpit. The next thing I go in with is my oil, my glow oil. This is the glow oil I use. I just transferred my Aveeno moisturizing body oil into this smaller container so that it will be easier for me to apply. So I just take an appropriate quantity. Applying all over. Then I apply also on my knuckles. So guys, I'm done applying my body oil all over my skin. So the next thing I like going in with is my leave-in conditioner. So guys, remember I said that this video is a hair to toe skincare product. So now I make use of this Makeup Rose leave-in strengthener. So all I have to do is just take a quantity of it, or an appropriate quantity of it. I'm going to be applying it on my hair because this particular leave-in conditioner is going to help to prevent hair breakage or keeps natural hair. I'm going to take another quantity to apply on my attachment. So it's going to make your hair to smell nice too. This at the price of, I think I got this at 2,000 naira. If I'm not mistaken, yes. I think 2,000 naira. It's been a while cycle. So now after applying my leave-in conditioner on my hair and my hair, the next thing I like going in with is my age control expression hair wax. So the reason why I like this is that it does not leave all these white, I don't know what you call it, all these white spots after applying. So I'm gonna be using this age. doing is to take my supplements. So this is the Collagen Glutathione, and this is the advanced whitening gummies. So I've already taken this one in the morning because I took this with my folic acid this morning. So I'm going to be taking this now because I've not taken this already. So these two supplements, most especially, what is it? So these two supplements is going to give your skin extra glow from the inside, like from within. So most especially collagen. This is collagen and glutathione. And collagen is very, very good for the skin. If you are above 25, 30, upward, you need to incorporate collagen to your skincare routine. It is very, very necessary. It is very, very good. So collagen is going to help to provide the major building material for growth. It's going to help to repair and maintain the skin, ligaments, bones, nails, and hair. Like basically, this collagen, like incorporating collagen to your skincare routine, as for someone that is up to 25, 30, and above, like it's going to help to nourish your skin. It's going to give you this extra glow. This particular supplement also, I'm not trying to make a review about it because I've done it already. But this particular supplement also contains glutathione, and as we all know that glutathione is very, very good for skin lightening. Anything lightening, glutathione is it. Anything skin lightening, glutathione is always very, very good for it. And as for collagen, collagen is going to help to repair your skin. It's going to repair your skin right from the inside out. So taking supplements is very, very good. It is very, very necessary. So the next thing I like doing is mine. I like it of this Aveeno. What I love about this is that it has a lasting fragrance. So I apply it on my armpits. Of course, you need to smell nice. You need to smell good on my armpits. Another thing I go in with is my perfume. This is the perfume I use. The last time I got this, it was 9,500 naira. But as it stands now, this particular perfume is being sold at the price of I think 15,500 naira, and I don't even know if I'm going to buy it again. So this is it. So guys, that is all, like everything I use on my skin in the morning. Yeah, that is basically it for now. I still have my nighttime skincare routine, but this is basically what I use during the day. So as you all can see, I don't really use much product because I don't like using much things, most especially my face. Our face is very, very delicate, so whatsoever you are using on your face, you just need to be very, very careful. Before using any product on your face, make sure you do what we call a patch test. Don't use your face to do a practical lab, to practicalize a particular product. You got to be careful on whatsoever you choose to use on your face. Make sure if you should get a new product, first of all, do a patch test at this side of your skin to know if that particular product is going to go well on your skin before using it on your face. Don't use your face to experiment any skincare products. It's not advised because any effect you have on your face is a front line of attraction. So you need to be careful on whatsoever you choose to use on your face. So my loves, I've come to the end of today's video, and I'm so excited, like I'm so happy making this video today, like showing you all everything I use on my skin, from my hair down to my toes. So guys, if you enjoy watching this video with me today, please give this video a huge thumbs up, and of course like. Not just that, subscribe, like just click on the subscribe button and subscribe to this channel. And if you have any questions to ask, drop it down on the comment section. I'll be right there to give you a prompt answer. See you guys on my next